Hi, welcome to Driving TV and I hope you are well. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about how to adjust your mirrors when you are driving. So how to adjust the mirrors. Okay, many learners on the channel, they've been asking for me to make a video on how to adjust the mirrors. So this video is all about how to adjust the mirrors. Okay. So this is the side of your car. Looking from the outside. When you are driving, you need to make sure that on your side mirrors you can see what's on the side of your car. This is your right side mirror and you should be able to see the right side clearly so that you know who's on your right hand side. Same with the left hand side. So if you look on your left hand side here now, this is how it looks from the outside, but make sure you adjust the mirror in a way so you see the edge of your car as well as the road all the way back. Now you have 3 mirrors when you are driving. Okay, in a driving lesson you've probably seen the 4th one as well. This is for your driving instructor or for your examiner, but you as a driver have 3 mirrors. You have the top rear view mirror, then you have the right side mirror, and then the left side mirror, and you just have to make sure that they are adjusted in a way so that you could see clearly what's around of your car. Okay, remember, for you to be safe on the road, it is not enough for you to know who's safe ahead, you also need to know if he's safe around you. Okay, so the mirrors are giving you the information so that you know who's on the side, who's behind, so that you could be safe for yourself as well as keeping others safe. For example, you could have a motorbike or cyclist on the side of your cars. For you to know that they are there, the only way you would know is by the mirrors. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the top rear view mirror. Okay, so you have the top one, the most important one. You need to make sure that who's behind following you. Okay, so when you adjust the top rear view mirror, how should you adjust? And the best way I say for you to adjust the top rear view mirror is to sit as normal, the way you normally would drive. Okay, so sit as you are driving. This is the position you're driving. So I'm sitting with both hands on my wheel as if I'm driving and I'm looking ahead. And then adjust the top mirror without moving your head. You should just move your eyes and then adjust. Don't adjust like that, because if you adjust it like that, okay, and then when you sit normally, you won't be able to see it because you've adjusted in a way that you have to move your head to see the mirror. So adjust in a way, like I said, sit normal, move your eyes, and then move with both hands, adjust the mirror. The top rear view mirror, adjust it. If the mirror moves, why move your head to adjust? Okay, so sit normal, move your eyes, just the eyes, not the head, just the eyes, and adjust. Now I could see the whole window on my mirror. So inside the mirror, you should be able to see the whole of the window. I could see it. Now I could see it. I don't have to move my head. Now the mirror is adjusted in a way I don't have to move my head. Now if I did move my head, it's not a problem. I could see it. I could either see it with my eyes or I could see it with moving my head. But if I adjust it like I said, like that, and then if I sit here, I'm not going to be able to see it. I have to move my head. Okay, so the top rear view mirror, sit as normal as if you are driving and only move your eyes, and with both hands, one in each end, move it and adjust it. Okay, try not to move it with one hand. The other thing is, when you are adjusting with your hands, try not to put your thumb in the mirror, inside the mirror, because you're going to make dirty. Keep the mirror clean. Don't use the fingers in the mirror. Use the edge. Just hold the edge and adjust. Okay, now let's talk about the side mirrors. Okay, let's talk about the one on the right. Now the one on the right, obviously you have the buttons here. You use the direction, whichever one you, obviously the car that you're driving, you will know how to use the button. Okay, so in your car, make sure you know how to use the button for you to move the mirrors. And what you're trying to get on the mirror is on the edge of the mirror nearest to you. So here, this side, here you should be able to see the edge of your car. Okay, on the edge of the mirror nearest to you, you should be able to see the edge of your car. edge of your car, just the edge. Why? So that you know where your car is. Okay, for you to know how far the bike is on the side or the car's overtaking you, you need to know where your car is. Okay, so when you adjust the mirror, make sure you adjust in a way so that you can see the edge of your car, little bit, not too much, just the edge. Why? So you know where your car is. And then it should be road parallel, not up to the sky or down to the floor. It should be parallel with your car, so then it goes all the way and you could see who's coming. Maybe car overtaking you, maybe a bike, maybe a cyclist. Okay, so this is the right side of your mirror, and as you can see, I could see the edge of my car as well as the road. Okay, so adjust in a way so that you don't see the sky or just the floor. You should be able to see the edge of your car. Okay, that's a bit too much down, so adjust it in a way so you can see just your car, not too much or not too less, about here. So now I could see just the edge of my car as well as the road. So not down to the floor or up to the sky, it should be level. Okay, so just to repeat, you should be able to see the edge of your car and then the road parallel, level with your mirror, so you can see all the way back. Same with the left mirror, same. Edge of the mirror, you should be able to see on the edge of your car. Okay, and then the road should be parallel. It goes all the way back and you should be able to see if there is a car overtaking, if there is a bike, if there is a motorbike. Okay, and that's how you adjust it. And adjust it in a way, like I said, so that you don't have to move your head too much. So that should be enough. That should be enough. You should be able to, you shouldn't need to go there and to see, because you adjust it in a way you have to move your head too much. Adjust it in a way so that you don't have to move your head too much. And that's how you adjust the mirrors. Okay, always remember that it is one of the most important for you to make sure that you have the mirrors adjusted in a way so that when you are driving you could see the mirrors clearly for the information that you need for you to be safe on the road, for yourself and for others. If there are bikes, you need to know if there is bikes. You need to know if there are motorbikes. You need to know if there are cars overtaking you. And if the mirrors are not adjusted properly, then you're going to be in trouble and you're going to put others in trouble. So don't even start the car. Put the ignition on and adjust the mirrors before you move. Why? Because mirrors are one of the most important when you are driving the car. Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope if you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and also please do make a comment what you think of the video, and also do let me know if there are any other subjects you want me to make the videos on, so I'll try to help you with that in the future. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.